Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can uh, do video editing in CapCut PC or CapCut web application. So if you don't watch our previous video, then go for these videos and then watch this video. Otherwise you will not understand this course. So in today's video I will teach you how you can add music in our videos and how to make our video beautiful and attractive. So let's get started. I am opening CapCut PC and let's make a slideshow with videos. So I am creating a nature slideshow. This library, like I add some traveling videos. So I'm adding some pictures, some videos. So that's it. So let's play our video. So this is our video, but as you can see it's not feel so attractive because of music, so we have to add some music. So I'm going to audio and music, and here I search for travel music background. For let's check some videos. Yeah, it's look good. So I'm trimming the music audio and that's it. After that I have to lower the sound because it's not look good. So it's not feel good and it not give good vibe to video if background sound is too loud. So this is our video, and let's I am decreasing the length of videos for small video. That's it. Let's check. So this is the final result of the video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.